Greetings, scholars. This is day 4. Let's talk about writing the conclusion for the reaction paper. Section 4 of the reaction paper is simple. You're going to write a concluding paragraph, or you may expand this into 2 paragraphs. I will leave this up to you. But in this section, you simply need to summarize the paper. Give me your thoughts. Answer the following questions. How do you suggest the country begin to heal from mass shootings, gun violence, school shootings? Do you think the United States will ever pass meaningful gun legislation? Do you think mass shootings will end in this country, or will things simply remain the same? I want a deep dive into your thoughts about these questions. Don't just give me a one sentence explanation to get it over with. Give me a good, detailed explanation as you answer these questions. It is only one paragraph. As I said, you may extend this to 2 paragraphs if you so choose. But this is the last section of the paper. It is the conclusion. Section 4 of the paper. Remember, keep your section headings there. I want to see section 4 in your paper, and continue and just write the paper. Just write the paragraph. Once you finish the paragraph, make sure that you go back and check to make sure that everything is here. I'm going to switch over to this copy of section 1 that has my introduction and my works cited page. Make sure you have your works cited page in alphabetical order. Make sure that it's on a separate page. Make sure that you center works cited. Make sure that you list all of the sources that you use in the paper and make sure that they're formatted correctly. And that is it. You have written the paper in 4 days. You have the next 3 days to go back now and decide what it is you want to cut. If you've reached over 5 pages, let's say you have 7 or 8 pages, you need to start cutting some information, figure out where you can cut, figure out where you can delete. Those of you who've spent the last 4 days and you only have 3 pages, you need to spend the next 3 days working on developing the paper and adding content to the paper to make sure that you have the 5 pages that are necessary. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. The best way to reach me is through email. Have a great week and a great weekend. I will see you next week. Good writing to you.